shirt that says crunch. I figured we're cracking on the back, we're adjusting the back, and it's going to make noise today, right?
Yes,
yeah,
it is.
there you go. All right. Face right here, hands right there. We'll lower this table down. Okay. So we're not just crunching, we're adjusting. Like crack-a-lacking. All right. Everybody's addicted to crack in the chiropractic office. Adjusting. We're adjusting, not crunching. All right, let your arms drop all the way down. And then breathe in and breathe out. Okay, stay right there. Raise the table up and we'll adjust your neck. Okay, let's have you lay face up. Get them lean all the way back. And for people that don't know, when you get adjusted, it pumps your body full of endorphins. It makes you feel better. It doesn't hurt. It looks scary. We can adjust light,